Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11.
Yes, Vlogmas Day 11. So what are we gonna do right now?
So first we're finding Jack.
Okay, I will follow you. You already recorded where Jack was earlier.
So this is where Jack, our elf on the shelf, is. Is that him? Looks like it's him. Let's go down the stairs. Oh yes, that is him. Looks like he's good luck on exam season. Oh, thank you, Jack. Such a nice self. Even though he used to sometimes be pretty mischievous. Yeah. But thank you for that. Okay. Bye.
I'm gonna record you. Alright, I'll follow you. So I'm guessing he's not in your room. I can see. I zoom in. Oh, that's where it was last time, right?
Sitting there looking at the window.
Oh, okay. Let's see where it is.
So, right down here. Looks like he's writing something.
What's he writing? Here.
Good luck on exam season.
I have to get you reading.
Looks like he's right here,
Wow, that's. Let me see Jack. Oh, I'm trying not to touch you, Jack.
Yeah.
It's trying to look through the camera, and I'm like, all right, good luck on exams. So he must have knew that you had exams, and he chose the right colors. I like the colors. Well, I could have used pink, and it was me. I would use pink. Don't touch it. You see that pink right there?
Yes.
I would
pink?
no, the other one, the light pink.
Other?
Yeah, I would use that color.
Okay.
But I like pink though.
Yeah.
I know you like red.
Yeah, I like red.
And Jack apparently likes red because
He is red.
he is red. So, all right. Samuel is ready for
2 binders, 4 binders.
Yeah, because you were studying
Studying.
a little bit. So today is math.
Math exam. Tomorrow's a review day. Wednesday's geography and life science. Thursday's another review day. And Friday's English and Spanish.
Okay, so you ready for your math today?
Yes.
All right. Well, I know you're ready because you're great at math.
Yeah.
Wednesday is going to be our struggle day, but
Yep.
you're going to bring home all that. So this is Samuel before his test. I got to get Samuel before.
Yep.
And then I'm going to get Samuel after his test. Well, we'll see if he's this happy or that tired and sad. Well, we'll find out.
Yeah.
Okay, so Samuel is done his math exam. He just texted me and he says he's done. So I said, can he leave? And he's gonna go see actually they can leave right now or watch a movie. So since he's not texting me back, it looks like he's watching the movie. So, but I'm excited. I'm excited for his math test. So I guess we'll find out if he's done already and he didn't do the whole till 11:30. I think, well, we'll see. I guess we'll see, because I was waiting for I was waiting for the text or the phone call to say, all right, I'm done. So we'll see we'll see what he thought he did. I know he did great because he's great at math. I'm not, but he's great. And so, alright, we'll see his reaction. Okay, Samuel, how do you think you did?
Good.
Oh, yeah, that's it? You were explaining to me
Well, it was more stressful finding a seat than completing the test. So, at the beginning, they said that you had to be sitting in every other seat in every other row.
Right, because of the...
And I couldn't find a seat. Out of all the seats, like, just people sat down so quickly, I couldn't find a seat. There were no seats, and people were getting put in seats, but I couldn't find a seat. And then all of a sudden, this teacher goes up to me and brings me over to this left-handed seat, and she asked me if I was left-handed, and I said yes, and she said, this is perfect for you, and it was a left-handed seat, because most of the seats have an armrest that goes up and goes for your right hand for writing, but there was this one, out of all the other ones that were taken, there was this one left-handed seat left.
Yeah.
Like, there are more left-handed seats, but there was just one left, and well, maybe it wasn't the only one left, but it was the one that she gave me. And it had an armrest that didn't go to your right, it went to your left.
Oh, to your left, so I'm glad they...
And it was at the very left.
Well, who would have thought? Who would have thought, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I guess there's not too many left-handed.
And that's because the only left-handed ones are at the very left of each row.
Okay.
So all the other ones are right-handed ones, and you only get an armrest every other seat.
Okay. So so not too many people were lefties.
No.
So
one left-handed person had to sit in a right-handed seat.
Oh no, okay. That's kind of hard. And so
yeah, I did a right-handed seat once. It wasn't fun.
Okay.
I had to go.
Okay.
This is so stressful.
So the math test was pretty simple.
I got it out of the way.
Okay.
But I didn't get it out of the way before other people did.
Okay.
So I finished it way after other people had already finished it. Why? Because I was sitting in my left-handed seat was in a row, and my left-handed seat was in the row, like the final row before it turned into the 8th graders' rows. So basically, the auditorium is split into 3 parts.
Okay.
And so the 7th graders filled all this side and a bit of this side. So it would go down, and then it would start the 8th graders. I was at the very tip, and the teacher who was passing out the test didn't have enough tests, so she had to go print more. And she only had to print more for me and the other students in my row. So she only had to print more for my row.
Okay.
And there was also another kid on the end who had a test. There was just like me and a few other kids who didn't have a test. And we were just sitting there while other people were like doing the test. We were just sitting there.
You were probably getting anxious. Probably getting anxious.
Very anxious. And I was like, is she gonna come back?
I thought they would start the test all together, but I guess not. And
well, they were passing out the test, and they said, once you get it, you can start.
Oh, see.
So, I had to wait till I got past the test. And, like, I would estimate that some people were, like, on 30-something.
So, how many questions total?
79.
Wow. So, not 80?
No, not 80.
So, it was pretty simple. Okay. Well, that's good.
Well, maybe 80. One of the tests had you put 2 answers.
Okay.
So, maybe 80.
Okay. So, you got through it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Well, I'm glad.
Yep. It was more stressful finding a seat and getting anxious
that's
to
what
receive the test.
That's what I want to hear. It's anxious, other than I'm anxious about the test.
So, the test or exam,
Mm-hmm.
it wasn't, the stress didn't go to the exam. The anxiety didn't go to the exam. It went to the stress went to finding a C, and the anxiousness went to waiting for the test.
Okay, all right. So this is gonna be a good story to hear back.
Yep.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna let you go so we can go home.
Bye.
All right. So the burning question is, what's your face look after the test? Is it happy? Like this morning, remember? It was either happy, tired.
Let me take my book bag off.
Okay, so what's the face?
I'm done the test.